All right, welcome back, class, to step number 6 of your Rubik's Cube project with Mr. Ramft. Step number 6 is simply putting the yellow corners in the correct location. If you recall from step number 5, you had your yellow cross and you lined up your edge pieces. For step number 6, we're going to really focus on just the corners, making sure they're in the correct location. So for example, if you look at my cube here, on the up face, you'll see this yellow corner, which is blue and red, is actually between the orange and green side. So this corner is definitely not in the right location. So we start by simply looking around and double checking to see if there's any corners that are actually in the correct location. And we see that this corner, orange and blue, is actually between the orange and blue side. Once we find a corner that is in the correct location, we're going to hold that corner on the right face, but make sure that corner is closest to you. You're then going to do your series of moves to see if we can solve it. So let's go. Here are those moves you need to master for step number 6. So we have up, right, up inverted, left inverted, up, right inverted, up inverted, and left inverted. By doing those moves, all of the corners are now in the correct location, meaning their colors match with their the faces, or the sides that they should be lined up with. So this is green and orange, it's between the green and orange. Now, if that's not the case, then simply find a corner that that's correct, and do those moves over again. Sometimes you have to do them once, sometimes you have to do them twice. All right, so that's it. You don't have to worry about these corners being solved. That's step number 7. For step 6, just make sure they're in the correct location. All right. Now there is one problem that happens with step number 6 that most students will see. So let me show you what that one little problem is. All right, one problem that you might see in learning how to solve step number 6 is that you look on the up face and you check each of the corners, and none of the corners are actually in the correct location. So when you have that situation, simply just do the moves for step number 6, and that will produce one corner that will be fixed. Then you can continue to do your moves holding the cube correctly to solve step number 6. All right, so that's it for step number 6. If you master it and you really would like to go on to step number 7, I'm not going to hold you back, but please make sure you're a master of step 6 before you even look at step number 7, so that we can ensure that you can do the Rubik's Cube anytime this year without hesitation, without saying, oh, I forgot. So really make sure you get the muscle memory for step number 6 down, and when you're ready, look at the video for step number 7. So let's keep working hard, have that awesome growth mindset, and we'll see you at Friday's check-in. Good luck.